See all that mud caked in there. This compartment too, it's got quite a bit of mud. All on the underside, it's lots of mud. Here's the door that they currently can't get open because of the mud. Let's meet today's project. All right, here's the equipment. Got it all cleaned up. Had to open up these access doors, these compartment doors right here, in order to clean out the inside. Here's the tracks. And there was all caked up with mud. Right here's the access door that they had gonna open, but I'm gonna open. I cleaned out the inside too. That was completely filled up with mud all the way up to the very top right here at the bottom of the door. Got her all cleaned up. Also took care of the windows. I went and cleaned all the windows. This way it just really adds some shine to the job. I'm sure the guy won't be expecting that,